All right, Lily, thanks so much. Right now, a live look here through the Storm Cam 9 network here at the roads here from CHI Memorial Hospital in Chattanooga. You can see right there plenty of snow still out there on those roads. Be careful if you're out and about at all this evening. Let's go to David Glenn right now for the latest on our forecast and where we stand now. Hello, sir.
Yeah, that's right on Dodds Avenue there. And again, a lot of heavier traffic today, and the crews have done a great job applying the salt. However, as temperatures start to move back downward tonight, for many still below freezing, but for others just above freezing, those roads are going to refreeze. Lily was mentioning that, and that's going to be a big problem tonight and for the next couple of nights. This could be a very prolonged event of hazardous travel conditions, especially on untreated secondary roads all the way through the weekend, even as far as Monday morning. So far-reaching effects from this system. Temperatures right now, again, north and west of the city below freezing, upper 20s. But from the city and south, we've gotten just above that freezing mark as that southerly wind has kicked in. It's going to be a brief warm-up as the wind turns back around to the northwest and drops back below freezing through the overnight hours. So not much of a long-lasting thawing. Looking at some of the snowfall estimates, again, this is from the official storm spotters. The heaviest amounts fell from the city and especially down in here. This is the area where I had much heavier amounts around the city. 3 to 4 was common. Your area may have had a little bit more. Here's just some of the reports. This is on Signal Mountain, just over the 4-inch mark. That was reported earlier on this afternoon. In Catoosa County, this is an early afternoon report. I have a feeling that's more around 2 to 3. That's in the Indian Springs area of Catoosa County. Let's move north a bit. Riceville. Report from this afternoon, around 3 inches there, that part of McMinn County. And in Cleveland, around 2:30, that report coming in 3 inches there in Cleveland. Farther south, there you go, Jackson County, there was a burst of heavier snow from the late morning through early afternoon. Those areas along Sand Mountain got upwards of 5 to 6 inches in those areas. 3 to 4 was pretty common across our viewing area, but there it was pretty high. And that's over Whitfield County earlier this morning. Report out of Whitfield around 2 inches, but 2 to 3 has been common based on a lot of reports that I've seen you guys post for us. Now, as far as the precipitation now is still falling, it is much lighter in nature. The really heavy stuff now moving away to the east. We're not totally finished with it yet. There'll still be this mixture of freezing rain, some sleet, and yes, still some light snow mixed in, although the snow intensity a little less than it was earlier on today, but still nevertheless adding a little bit more to that coating of accumulation through the evening. And that rain falling on frozen surfaces, you know, causing it to become a bit crunchy and even more treacherous for travel. Sleet mixed in there all the way down 59 to Fort Payne. Kind of spotty in nature with light snow showers. Athens a bit heavier to the east of Murphy now. And they're farther down to the south to get a mixture of rain, freezing rain and sleet across North Georgia. We look farther back when we expand the view to the south and west. And again, more of this moving away, the deeper moisture. That's the plume of deep moisture there. Then the back side of the system rotating back in some flurries and light snow showers. That'll continue through a large part of the evening, tapering off to flurries during the overnight hours. That main area low pressure is going to become a powerful one as it moves off the coast. It moves away off to the east. Back behind this is drier air, but not much clearing. So tomorrow will start cloudy and kind of stay that way through the night. So going through the evening hours, still some light snow showers around, but from, say, 8 o'clock to midnight, kind of moves out. Still some flurries left over tomorrow morning, so you might still see some flurries flying around the first part of the day, not adding to any accumulation. It's just cold. Cloudy throughout the day, just a little bit of clearing late day. Temperatures mid to upper 30s, that's it, meaning the higher elevations stay below freezing. Sunday morning, even colder. That means refreezing on area roads. Teens and low 20s, so barely any improvement then. Little more thawing on Sunday. Sunshine, highs right around 40, but it's back to the 20s Monday morning, which means, again, still on secondary roads, some refreezing could still occur. So tomorrow, cloudy. There could be some flurries still flying around. It's not going to add any accumulation, just adds to the wintry scene. 20s early, barely above freezing in the valley, higher elevations staying below freezing. It is going to be dry in the days ahead. It's not going to be warm. In fact, the warmest day is Sunday, Monday. After that, we're back in the deep freeze again. Highs in the 30s, lows in the teens to the heart of next week.
All right, David Glenn, thanks so much.